Are you wondering why your wallet always feels light? You might be making these budgeting mistakes. We're diving deep into the most common budget blunders that could be holding you back from achieving your financial goals. Stick around, because not only am I going to break down these mistakes, but I'm also going to empower you with the knowledge to fix them. Remember, understanding these trending topics and keywords is key for YouTube ranking, so you can share this valuable information with others. Let's talk about those sneaky little expenses that slip through the cracks. You know, the ones you barely notice but somehow always seem to add up. Daily coffee runs, grabbing lunch on the go, or impulse buys can add up to a significant leak in your budget. These seemingly harmless habits can quietly drain your finances. Think of your money as a bucket of water, and those small expenses as tiny holes. Each little purchase might not seem like much, but together, they can create a big problem. Over time, those tiny drips can drain your bucket completely. It's like watching your hard-earned money just disappear. But here's the good news. Tracking your expenses doesn't have to be daunting. In fact, it can be quite simple and even empowering. There are fantastic apps designed to make tracking your spending a breeze. These tools can help you stay on top of your finances with minimal effort. When you track your spending, you gain valuable insights into your financial habits. You can see where your money is going and make informed decisions. Take charge of your finances and watch your financial well-being soar. By being mindful of your spending, you can ensure that your money works for you, not against you. Now let's talk about financial goals and how they shape our future. Setting clear, specific, and realistic financial goals is crucial for success. Think of your financial goals as your personal GPS, guiding you towards your dreams and aspirations. Short-term goals like saving for a down payment or paying off a credit card keep you motivated and on track. Long-term goals, such as investing for retirement or buying your dream home, help you stay focused on the bigger picture. Achieving big goals takes consistent effort, discipline, and a clear plan that you follow diligently. Regularly reviewing your financial goals is just as important as setting them initially. Adjust them based on your current circumstances, celebrate your progress, and keep pushing forward. Let's talk about freebies. Who doesn't love getting something valuable for free? There are a plethora of free budgeting tools and apps available that can help you manage your finances effortlessly. These tools can revolutionize the way you manage your money, making it easier to keep track of your spending and savings. They automate your finances, set up automatic bill payments, and track your investments, ensuring you never miss a due date or an opportunity to save. Choosing the right budgeting tool can feel overwhelming with so many options out there. Do your research and find one that aligns with your needs and financial goals. Read reviews, compare features, and test out a few. Popular options include Mint, Personal Capital, and YNAB. Each of these has its own strengths and unique features. Each tool has unique features, so explore and find the perfect fit for your lifestyle and financial habits. Leverage free budgeting tools to take control of your finances and achieve your financial dreams. With the right app, financial freedom is just a few taps away. So there you have it, the top 3 budget blunders that might be draining your wallet. Achieving financial wellness is a journey, not a destination. It's about making conscious choices, building healthy habits, and staying committed to your financial goals. By avoiding these common pitfalls and implementing the tips we've discussed, you'll transform your relationship with money. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more financial tips. Hit that notification bell so you never miss an upload. Stay financially savvy, my friends!